Chicka wow wow. Hi, I'm Bob Flavin. I'm a motoring journalist and a car reviewer, and for the last decade or so I've reviewed basically every car on the roads in Ireland, and I'm actually here to bust some popular myths that are being held out there, because the more you know, the more you can possibly save in the motor industry. So let's crack on with these few. The price at the dealership is actually final. This is a total myth. Of course, there's always wiggle room in every price. If you're trading something in, always talk about the cost to trade. That is the difference between the price of the car you're trading in and the price you want to buy. If you're buying a straight deal, well then, if it's a new car, try to negotiate over the options on the car. Things like alloy wheels or the colour of the car, metallic paint, those kind of options where it's not actually a big cost in the car, but it equates to a discount if you get it for free, right? There's always room to manoeuvre over the price of a second-hand car. A used car has definitely got plenty of room. There's a thing called a washout that they often negotiate over quite a lot. So it's worth negotiating every single time. It doesn't matter what time of the year you buy your new car at. That's a myth. If you buy between January and July in the Republic of Ireland, you're at the high point of the year, or it's more like March to September in Northern Ireland. If you want to save a bit of money, you try and buy what they have in stock. So buy outside of those times for a new car. For a used car though, at the end of every month, pretty much all of the new cars are sold out and all the used cars are traded in. So it's worth looking at the end of every month. PCP is a flexible form of finance. This is also kind of a myth, because PCP restricts you to what dealership you're able to get serviced in. Also restricts your mileage per year. Any damage that's done to the car gets added on to the balloon payment at the end. Really is worth checking out exactly what kind of financial arrangements suit you best before you get into any of them. So those are my tips. If you're considering buying a car in 2021, do your homework and you can't go wrong.